Coach Frederick, can you just state him for us, please?
Coach Lester Hibbert of Garvey, Maceo.
Coach Hibbert, tough 1-0 loss today. In terms of how your team went about it, were you pleased or disappointed without a fear over the 80 minutes?
They played well. The girls, they put on an excellent fight. If you look at the game, it was 2 halves. The first half we created a lot of chances because I believe the score doesn't reflect the true identity of the game, because in the first half we created about 4 to 5 clear chances and goal. If you look at the game itself, Excelsior only had 1 shot on target, and that was the shot that scored. But the girls, the Garvey Maceo girls, they came out here today and literally they fought to the end. Yes.
How pleased are you in regards to how the Garvey Maceo girls manage the game? Because they show a level of maturity today. You not having 2 of your most senior players or your star players. What do you think about the players' maturity that they show today?
Yeah, good. Strict bravery. The maturity was up there. Basically, if you look at the game, if you don't speak about it, say we had our 2 best players. When you look at it, the girls went out and they stick together as a team, because at the end of the day, when you create a team, you have to make sure you have a unit. So when someone is not there, that person can fill in the gap. And when you look, there wasn't a lot of loopholes in the team. The only thing we did not do was put the ball in the back of the net, and I think that was what hurt us here today.
All right.